TH has been one of the most trusted jewelers in Sri Lanka, providing us with the most intricately designed jewelry for such a long time. Today's a very special day for you, sir, because you are launching a collection rightly named the Diamond Pave Collection. Talk to me a little bit about this. Tell me about the inspiration for this collection.
Sure. So it's the Diamond Pave collection. So it comes from the French name of setting smaller stones in metal. So sort of like a pavement. So you're paving the stones in metal. So we've got a range that's actually a new collection starting from very attractive pricing. So we've got it just launched before the festive season. So we think it'll be perfect for gifting, giving your loved ones or someone special in your life.
Absolutely. One last thing, I was walking around the store and I can tell you for a fact that the collection is absolutely stunning. One thing I noticed is the range of designs. There's so many different varieties of fine jewelry. Talk to me a little bit about that. What can customers out there expect from this collection?
Sure. So with the diamond collection, we do have other ones that are like a larger stones that we set in diamonds. Also, TH has an esteemed heritage in sapphires. So that's our bread and butter. So blue sapphires, and in Sri Lanka, that's the best thing you can buy. So we have a huge range of that as well. And we've got upstairs, we've got the 22 karat gold. So your weddings, engagements, all the things that Sri Lankans love buying in 22 karat. So we've got that upstairs as well. So it's a one-stop shop, really. We just come in and we'll take care of the rest.
Thank you so much for being here with us today. TH is definitely the place to go for all of your fine jewelry needs. Thank you for being with us, sir. We have with us none other than Senuri Rupasinghe, the face of TH. Ma'am, you have been modeling the jewelry, the fine jewelry, and it's been absolutely amazing to see you on the posters and the covers. Talk to me a little bit about this collection. Did you like it personally? Spill the tea.
Of course, I love it, and as you see, I'm loving the stones and the rings, so I'm totally into jewelry. So the TH collection is pretty much out there, and there's like a selection for everyone, as in, let's say if you're in your 60s or 50s, 20s, 30s, name it, you got it right here. Gold, silver, or any other jewelry that you're looking up, gems, they really got a really great collection coming up, and you'll see it really soon. It's really amazing.
Oh, absolutely. I 100% agree with you. Just on a personal note, ma'am, you have the most iconic fashion taste. Let me tell you that. Let me just put it out there. Talk to me about the importance of accessories in fashion. You are somebody that rocks the most amazing accessories. Give us a little bit of fashion tips on accessories and fashion.
All right, okay. I'm just gonna get my outfit here. It's pretty simple. It's literally an office skirt and a top that you can wear on a casual basis. But I'm trying to give a statement look by the earrings and the rings. So trying to keep it simple but elegant in a, you know, how it goes. Yeah.
I get it. You look absolutely stunning either ways. Thank you so much for being with us. It's such a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. Have a good evening, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have with us none other than Dimitri Fernando, looking absolutely stunning. Can I tell you first of all? Sir, we've seen a collection of absolutely amazing accessories. Talk to me about the importance of accessories in your life, and do you think this collection is up to all of the hype that it's been receiving?
Well, first of all, I think accessories are very important. It brings out a lot of color in yourself, and it makes a statement. And you can tell about a person what they wear and the accessories they wear, so that has a positive thing. And the collection has been great. I mean, we had a look so far, and absolutely love the whole new collection.
Those
great stuff by Tish. Yeah, for sure.
Fashion tips from the guru itself. Thank you so much for being with us. It is such a pleasure to have you with us, sir.
You're very welcome. Thanks.
Ma'am, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
First of all, tell me a little bit about yourself. Introduce yourself to everybody watching for a bit.
Hi, my name is Malsha. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing right now. Oh, I run a charity called Free to Flow. I just remembered It's an initiative that distributes reusable sanitary pads, and I would like anyone who wants to help to join with us.
First of all, thank you so much for everything that you do for our community. You are so appreciated. But let's talk about the collection for a bit. Tiesh has released such an amazing wide range, wide variety of a collection. Talk to me a little bit about it. Do you personally, are you somebody that loves fine jewelry? Talk to me about it for a second.
Well, I've always been a fan of Tiesh. I always choose to come here when it's like a birthday or something, and I'm trying to get someone else to buy me a gift. So it's always been one of my favorites, and their stuff is really good and it's unique. So I'm sure I haven't got a chance to look around right now, but I'm sure I love it. Actually, I don't want to look around right now.
Why? Because you're going to end up spending a lot.
Maybe I shouldn't. Yeah.
Don't worry, it's a good money spent, let me tell you that. Thank you so much for being with us today. You look absolutely amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Have a good evening, ma'am. A very good day to you. Sir, can you introduce yourself to us? You are a fashion icon. Tell me a little bit about yourself before we get on into the questions.
My name is Rian, and I'm based between Mumbai, India and Colombo. And post lockdown, this is my first trip here after almost 2 years, so I'm really happy to be back.
Can I just say one thing? Your outfit is absolutely spot on. Do you want to tell me a little bit about what you're wearing here today?
Yes, so I'm wearing these really new and upcoming designers from India. I love wearing Indian and Sri Lankan brands. I love promoting small designers, especially in India. And this is a brand called No Grey Area. And they've got a lot of street stuff, but they've also got a few like these Indianized cord sets and everything, and this is really easy to wear and it's so light and it's elegant. So.
I can tell you it looks super comfortable, but the print is amazing as well. Thank you so much for supporting small designers. Speaking of which, let's talk about Tiesh for a second. Their collection, Diamond Pave, seems absolutely interesting. Tell me a little bit about what you think. Did you have a chance to look around? If so, what are your personal insights about the collection?
I really loved how understated and how elegant it is. Really beautiful, some striking pieces and very modern in terms of the aesthetic, very 2021. So I think that, anyone coming here can just come and pick up some really cool stuff. So hopefully all the tourists watching this, please come to Sri Lanka, come visit this beautiful city and come here to shop.
Thank you so much for everything that you do. It was so nice talking to you. Have a good evening, sir.
Thank you.
A very good evening to you. We have with us Ranshan Gomez. Most of you probably know him from TikTok and social media. Let me tell you, you are killing the fashion game, sir.
Thank you so
have
much.
such incredible fashion all the time.
Thank
and just a quick question: if you had some time to look around, there was the Diamond Pave collection. Absolutely amazing. What do you think about it?
Oh, it's actually my first time at the Tiesh store, and I must say that Ayush and Tiasha have done a fantastic job, not just with this collection, but everything else. And I think I'm inclined to get my wife a push present now, from this collection. So I have to look no further than here.
I can tell you for a fact that she's going to be absolutely in love with
Yes,
it.
absolutely, yes.
Thank you so much for being with us. Just one thing before we go. Tell me, for everybody listening in, just give me some fashion tips, accessory-wise. What do you think is most important when it comes to accessories and fashion, especially for men in general?
Yes, Personally, I like to keep it clean, keep it simple. A watch, my wedding ring, of course. Maybe a chain if you're wearing a kind of a crew neck tee with a blazer. But other than that, just keep it simple and don't be afraid to be you.
Absolutely. You heard it from the man himself. Keep it simple and be you. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have two of the most stunning people here at Tiesh. First of all, your fashion sense is out of this world. Talk to me a little bit about what you're wearing, sir.
Okay, so basically, I'm wearing like something from Fashion Market, and these are like Levi's. So like this is like something I just did last minute. I went today like to fashionmarket.lk and then I just got the outfit. So usually I'm like usually prepared, but you know with her work, because I'm managing her and I'm the national director for the pageant. So with her work I'm very busy. So her PR and everything. So like I was like, okay, I have to go for this IHS event. So I had to just get ready. So I just got this and it's something very simple, it's something I would wear.
But it looks absolutely comfortable, which is the
It is.
statement of fashion,
That's
right?
the thing, yeah, that's the thing. But the shoes are not, but everything else is comfortable.
Pain is beauty, what they say.
Fashion is pain always, sometimes. But
Sometimes,
yeah,
sometimes. All right, let's talk to you. Oh my goodness, you look absolutely stunning. Firstly, introduce yourself to everybody that's out there. I know that you are contesting, or you contested for Miss Sri Lanka.
Yes, so I'm Diana Soisa, Miss Sri Lanka 2021. And we are done with the pageant, and these days I'm still working on a few projects like related to my pageant. So yeah.
Thank you so much for what you do. It's amazing for the community. And you guys look absolutely stunning. One last question. Did you have a chance to look around at the Diamond Pave collection?
Not yet, but I actually managed to like have a glimpse before because I came here before. So I think I just have to go and look. So like hopefully like see some.
What do you think about it?
I love diamond. I just love diamonds. You know, I know they say always say.
Whoa, that's a bit of a stretch right there.
I want someone to get me something. So I'll gift it to you.
I mean, I hope you guys figure it out. But thank you so much for being with us.